everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my premium Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and typically on my channel I do all things makeup. I do upload 3 times a week, and I would love for you to join the family, so please click the subscribe button. It does make such a big difference for me. I really would appreciate it. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into my premium Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you that are not aware, Boxycharm is a subscription service, and there are 3 levels for Boxycharm. There is the base box, which is $25. It is typically 5 full-size products that are worth around $175. There is a premium Boxycharm, which is 6 full-size products. The cost is $35 a month, and typically the value for that is over $200. And then there is the Boxycharm Luxe, which is quarterly. It does replace the base box for those of you that get base box, and it is $50. I do have the premium, and that's what we'll be unboxing this month. And of course, because February is the month of love, it is the theme for Boxycharm XOXO. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I have not opened this. I have resisted. So we'll see what we got. So the first thing I see in here, this is the Huda Beauty. It is the Get Lit Metallic Foiled Lip. Wow. Yeah, try again. Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. It is $26 is the retail value. I'm having a hard time reading that today. Let's open this up real quick. It is all completely sealed, so let's see if I can open this without cutting myself. Beautiful box. I do like it. I do like that it's sealed, of course. It says use code Boxycharm for 20% off everything for those of you that want to check out their website. And let's see the product itself. Oh, I do like that. It's kind of like a little pot with a, almost like a nail polish, with a, with a thing right on. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. I love the way that this looks. This is like a nail polish base. It does have quite a bit of product, or at least it looks like it does. Very beautiful, and that is the color. It is still wet, so we'll check it in a second once it dries. But I will be super excited to try that. Very, very metallic, beautiful, kind of a bronzy gold color. Not quite bronze, not quite gold, kind of in between. It is super metallic so far. We'll see how that dries down. Wah, wah. So I did get this, not that this is a bad product. This is a good product. This is the Tarte dual-ended. So one is the liquid eyeliner, one is the pencil eyeliner brush. Tarte is not bad. I do like it. I think it's a good product. It's good quality. I did receive this in Boxycharm though, probably 3 or 4 months ago. And as I said in my base box, I got a repeat product in that as well. And I feel like there are enough beauty products that you should not get a repeat product within so many months. That's just my perspective. The Tarte, especially in a premium box. Okay, anyways, the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner is retail value $24. I'm not going to open this because I do have one already open, but one is a felt tip, one is a pencil tip, and you can kind of use both to create an eye look. It is good quality. I'm not saying it's bad, absolutely fine. Next thing I have in here is the Laura Mercier. This is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlighter 1. Ultra Smooth Baked Face Powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. Retail value $44. I do like Laura Mercier. They actually, I consistently use and do have it on today, their Under Eye Brightening Powder in the cake formula. I learned that from Taylor Wynn. It is great. I love it. I do, of course, cult classic. The Laura Mercier loose powder is a great setting powder. And this is interesting. So it is kind of a highlight looking, but it says matte radiant. So let's go ahead and swatch this right here. We'll swatch it on the other side. And you can see it does give a radiance. I do not think it looks matte at all. It is nice and silky. Oh, I would be interested to see what my whole face set with that looked like. It really is a beautiful texture. Very nice and silky and smooth. Huh. Well, there you go. I'm excited to try that. I typically really like Laura Mercier products. I love their packaging. This is a click. So there's a little button to open that. So very nice packaging. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. This is still wet. So it does take a little bit of time to dry. So we'll keep an eye on that. The next product I am super excited about. I almost bought this in Boxy pop-up because I did see it. This is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Retail value $29. I saw this and had really wanted it, and I thought, let's wait. It could be in my premium. I'm so glad I waited. Beautiful packaging, that nice mint color. Let's open this up. Oh, wow, I can't get it open. There we go, and see, and check that out. That is gorgeous. We are gonna swatch some of these. So I do wanna swatch this one right here. Look at that, nice and smooth and beautiful. I do really wanna swatch this one right here, which is kind of a marbled teal color. I've been very into teal lately, I don't know why. Oh, that did not come off as dark as I expected it to, especially with the shadow in the pan. Well, that's interesting. So kind of a light teal color. I'm super interested to see what this tiger one is. It is like teal mixed with kind of a gray in here. Let's see what that looks like. And that comes off completely bronze. Hardly can see it on my skin. That's interesting. I do like the shadows. They are beautifully smooth. We'll have to see what kind of look we can create with that. Very cool. Glad I didn't buy it in the Boxy pop-up. That was a little dramatic, wasn't it? I know. Okay. Next, I have the Rodeo, or Rodeo, however you say that, Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with the new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. $60 is the retail value. I had that upside down the whole time. I'm sorry. I don't know what I think about shimmer. I'm not a big shimmer on my face kind of girl. But let's open this up and see what it looks like. Beautiful bottle. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Nice pink. It will be a dropper formulation here. And so I'm going to put it on my other hand since I have so much on that left hand right here. We're going to drop it on. We'll be very cool and, oh, no, because it won't come out. Very Instagram worthy. It is thicker than I expected. Look, there's nothing else coming out, and that was a whole thing. Okay, so it's super, super thick. Super, super thick, right? Thicker than I expected for a Soft Focus Glow Drop. You can see it kind of right there running down my hand. Let's go ahead and rub this in. Oh, it is super perfumed. Oh, I don't like that. Sorry, I don't like that at all. That is the grossest smell. It's like, oh. Nope, nope, nope. I can tell you right now, that's a no for me. Thank you. Super, super smelly. It does leave a beautiful glow. but it still smells. Oh, it still smells on my hand. I don't like that at all. And now it's on my hand. Okay. Beautiful glow here. I do like that. I do think it's an expensive product, especially to be so stinky. I don't really like the stickiness at all. There is no way I'm putting that on my face. No way. I'm sorry, y'all. There is no way I'm putting that on my face. Okay. Now that we have that sorted out, I will share this with someone. Not sure who. Last product that I have in here, I am excited about. This is, I don't know how to say that. Yeah, I'm not even going to try because I'll butcher it, but it is the Blue Aurora Cleansing Water. This powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleaning quick, effective, and delicious. Oh, I've never heard cleaning delicious. Energized by purifying herbs. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. Specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. $39. Turmeric and holy basil cleansing water. I'm excited for this. I do like a good cleansing water. Oh, and it has like a little reel stopper in it. We're going to go, okay, so this is finally dry. Let's go back to this real quick. It doesn't flake off. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is beautiful. We're going to just put this cleansing water right on there and see what happens, right? Okay, let's put the stopper back in real quick. Fail. Let's put the stopper back in real quick. There we go. It does smell like holy basil for sure. I actually drink a holy basil tea. And look at that, it was completely dry. That is pretty impressive. I have a tissue in here. I just put a couple drops on there and it already emulsified that. Granted, it didn't take it all off because it literally was only a couple drops, but it did take the majority of it off. I am super excited by that. I am always on the lookout for a good cleanser, especially like a micellar water type cleanser like that with skincare benefits, because sometimes at the end of the night your girl is lazy. Just saying. So that is my premium Boxycharm. Other than that repeat product that I got there, I really liked it, and the smelly soft glow focus that we are not going to use. I really like this box. I hate the new numbers on here of what variation you got. I got variation C 21023551-PM. At any rate, I really like this box. I like this much better than the base box for me. I do think it is a great box. I'm excited to try quite a few of the products in there. What did you guys think about your premium box this month? Did you get it? Did you love it? Drop me a line and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.